Welcome back. The mega convention of the United Tribal Alliance at Ponda has demanded revocation of controversial amendments to the tenancy and the reservation of 12% for ST in the assembly poll. UTA also demanded withdrawal of the cases against its leaders lodged during the agitation, while warning the government that the community should not be taken for granted. BJP Sant Andre MLA Vishnu Waq too fired guns at his own government, assuring a fight for the rights of ST and the OBC. Congress and MGP have already registered their opposition to the controversial amendments introduced to the Tenancy Act. Now government is facing the opposition from its own camp. Sant Andre MLA Vishnu Waq spoke tough against his own party-led government.
लोकांचा मी प्रतिनिधी आज उठाचो 10वा वर्धापन दिन साजरो करत असताना माझ्या पोटातल्यान आणि माझ्या आत्म्यातल्यान हे मागणी असा 66,000 वर्षां पहिली जेणी गोंय वसयले त्या कुळाचो एक मनीस गोंयच्या शिवासनाचेर मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून बसलेलो आपल्या कुळाक आमी इतलेच मागता.
UTA celebrated its 10th anniversary at Ponda. Leaders at the mega convention slammed the government on various issues. UTA has demanded revocation of amendments made to Tenancy Act. Organization feels that amendments are detrimental to the farmers. UTA has also demanded 12% reservation for ST in assembly poll. Withdrawal of cases against the UTA leaders also figures in the resolution.
कारण आम्ही सुशिक मरीत प्रामाणिकपणे पण आज हो प्रामाणिकपणा जो आसा तो आज दबाव हाडपाक गेल्लो आसा आणि प्रामाणिकपणाचो आम्ही आज बळी घडले आसा. पण हे फुडें सगळ्या समाज बांधवां कडेन मागता, एकंदरीत बहुजन समाजा कडेन मागता की असोच जर निर्णय जर आमी सोसून जर रावले जाल्यार जशी भाटकारांनी पयलीं गुलामगिरीशाही पत्करली आशिल्ली मुणकारांनी ते आमकां आज करचें पडटलें.
Decennial function of UTA paid homage to Mangesh Gaonkar and Dalip Velip, youth who lost their lives during Bali agitation. UTA also released 2 souvenirs on the occasion. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent. Bad roads in the rural areas have become a nuisance for the residents, especially in villages. This was on the top of the agenda for Sunday's Gram Sabha. Talegaon residents have threatened to go on hunger strike if roads in the Panchayat area are not repaired by 26 November. They have also demanded that they just do not want a patchwork but proper roads hot mixed.
25th मेरेन government time दिला त्या रस्त्याचेर डांबर घालपाक. By 25th, if government is not acting upon it, on 26th I am going on in an indefinite hunger strike. If you think that this is a just cause, if you think that you are going to benefit out of it, come and join me.
We can take a resolution today that once a road is hot mixed, for maybe 1 year, 2 years, we are not going to allow it to be broken.
ताळगांवच्या लोकांक त्रास जाल्लो आसा, हांचेर कॉन्क्रीट एश्युरन्सीस लोकांक दिवपाक जाय. हो रस्तो जो आसा हॉट मिक्स जाता काय बेश्टें पॅच वर्क करून लोकांक पिशे करता हें तांच्यांनी सरपंचान आनी सगळ्या तांचे जे कोण पंच मेंबर्स आसा तांच्यांनी स्पश्टपणे लोकांक सांगपाची सारकी गरजेची आसा. MLA ऑल्सो हॅज टू आन्सर, MLA's husband has to answer because they have given these assurances during the panchayat elections. If you read their manifesto, they have promised good roads, they have promised proper water. उदकूय सारक्या खुबश्या एरियांनी मेळना, रस्त्यांची कितें परिस्थिती जाल्या ती सगळ्यांकूच खबर आसा आनी आमकां हॉट मिक्सिंग ऑफ रोड्स जाय. वी डोंट वॉन्ट दीस टेम्पररी पॅच वर्क. 2 दीस पावस पडत जाल्यार हें व्हांवून वतलें.
Meanwhile, the issue of bad roads and haphazard digging of roads also echoed at the Gram Sabha of the Serauli village. Locals complained that the bad roads are leading to road accidents. Benauli MLA Kaitu Da Silva attended the meet. The Gram Sabha has formed the Biodiversity Managing Committee for the village.
Digging of the roads and all over the place in Serauli. So the MLA answered this questions because he was present for the Gram Sabha, and he said that this is done purely for the benefit of the people, and this water supply is it is for the water supply water supply and not sewage, because I had put a question whether it was for the sewage or the water supply.
After 1 week work has started, and till now nothing has been done, only digging ends and more puraitas from pula into gele. At so there rosta in am bogta itinga tras accident and muni smell hatinga ani sogle tras hai. So thanks tego kinds na pipeline every second pipeline hotai amko bai ha amko udo look amge gara ko eta big man pa. लोका किता त्रास केसो डेवलपमेंट एक्सीडेंट डिजाइन लो मोरपुसान अंते काळका तुम अरावरे लाइट और स्ट्रीट लाइट कंप्लेन दिगुंतिले एक पार्ट कंप्लेन करतायना.
Savio Dice and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.